Placebos, what are they? And what do they mean to me as a patient? Hi, my name is TJ Sharpe. I am a melanoma survivor, a patient advisor, and a 2-time clinical trial participant. I'm here today to talk to you about the myth surrounding placebos. Am I just getting a sugar pill? Will I not get the study drug? I'd like to thank 4G Clinical for sponsoring this video. Their mission is to bring crucial medicines to patients faster by accelerating the work in clinical trials. That mission means a lot to me, as a clinical trial saved my life. That's why debunking these myths are very important. As a participant, we won't have medicines without clinical trial participation. And as a patient, we need to educate ourselves on the realities of clinical trials so we make the best decision for our healthcare. So, what is a placebo? Well, a placebo is a sugar pill that does neither harm nor good. It is necessary to be used in many clinical trials as a control arm. Part of the scientific method that we all learned about at some point in high school allows scientists to compare data by randomly assigning a patient to either an experimental part of the treatment or a control part of the treatment. Placebo is given so that a person doesn't simply do better because they think they are getting medication. That is known as the placebo effect, and it is a real phenomenon. As just explained, a placebo is used in place of the active medication in randomized trials that you may be interested in learning about. Randomization happens to each arm or segment of the trial. That segment is based on the specific treatment type, including the placebo or standard of care arm. Now, I just mentioned standard of care. Placebos are not always used for ethical reasons. When a standard of care does exist, that is, an existing approved treatment has been deemed to be effective for particular serious illness, then it would be unethical and very inhumane in those cases to deny a patient treatment. For those situations, instead of a placebo, the standard of care is utilized to allow experimental treatment to be compared to existing treatment, apples to apples. Now, will you know if you're on a placebo? For some trials, you may know immediately what arm of the trial you are on. But for placebo-controlled trials, they're usually blinded or double-blinded. Blinded is the patient not knowing what medicine they are taking. Double-blinded means the patient and their doctor will not know what medicine that patient is on. In the case of double-blinding, only the person who prepares the medicine will know what arm of the trial you will be on. They will not reveal it unless there is a serious, rare circumstances where a patient's health may be in danger. Now, to wrap up, a placebo is a sugar pill. It is given so that the placebo effect does not affect the results of a clinical trial. This allows researchers to test apples to apples when evaluating new medicines for patients. And it is used in place of active medication in some places, or a standard of care is used rather than a placebo in others. My name is TJ Sharpe. Thank you for listening, and good luck on your medical journey.